Help! My X100 Pilot Elite subscription expired. The customer is waiting and need to update the software now.
Chill, renewing is easy. In a rush, choose credit card.
Why?
Pay directly on the device. Instant access. It's all about speed. Want to save? Choose a redeem code.
And this?
Buy a code from a dealer for a discount. Takes a bit longer, but it's all about savings.
The client is rushing me. I will pick a credit card this time. Emergency first.
Go to Settings, Subscription Services, Expired. Tap Credit Card. Confirm the policy, yeah. And add the credit card. Okay. Input your credit card information. Alright, everything entered. Now just pay it. Done. Whether for speed or savings, keep updated. Okay, subscription renewed. It has been updated another 1 year. You can also enter the redeem code for discount. Just need to turn to your dealer for a code. Okay, the activation code is done. It's verified. Okay, subscription has been successfully renewed. Let's check our, yes, we've got another year. Done. Whether for speed or savings, keep updated.
The X100 Pilot Elite, the must-have 2.